Sikat magkanta, pasalamat king mimye Pampanga 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 Pampanga.
Hello, I'm Rainan.
Hi guys, I'm Pauline Tongka.
I'm Princess. Sokolava! I'm Jopay.
Saan tayo? Alam tayo?
View
Sa view deck.
Yeah.
I'm Jane.
Muna pala ako si Smelly, hindi kami talaga.
Okay, can you speak Tagalog? Because
Yung expectation ko kami garay guys.
Tagalog.
I'm Bijoy. I'm Nicole.
So, hi guys, we are the group 2. So now we're about to introduce our one of the famous cafe here at Arayat, the Cabeces Uwan.
Legend has it that Mariang Sinukuan, also known as the Fairy Queen of Arayat, resides within its mystical depths, adding an enchanting aura to this natural wonder.
Ay, Ma'am dapat sumama ka. Para na-fresh. Literal ng peace of mind. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Ano masasabi mo?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Nahanap na daw siya ng mama niya. Ikaw. Hi, guys.
Malamig dito.
Reynan! Tama na, bebe time, no?
Dito man ako.
Hindi naman ako. Ayun na pala yung dalawa.
Oh, lovebird.
Diba, lovebirds, may kanya-kanya silang mundo. Kasi may bebe.
Oh, baby, take care ka.
So, bye-bye.
Mount Arayat is located in the province of Pampanga on the island of Luzon in the Philippines. It is situated near the boundary of the municipalities of Arayat and Magalang.
So, yun guys. Nag-order na kami ng pwedeng kainin.
Mount Arayat, an iconic landmark in the Philippines, is not only renowned for its majestic beauty but also steeped in folklore.
So guys, dumating na yung order namin. After 10 minutes. My order is dark mocha with ice,
Caramel with ice.
cappuccino. Yes, tropical lychee. Lychee, it's lychee. Say it again. Tropical.
Time check. 7:05. Tapos ang ganda ng view dito.
Hinihintay pa kami yung order. Like, about 10 minutes pa siguro yun.
Uwi na kami. Papatikot na lang namin. May question daw kasi princess namin. Kami dati sasagot.
So, my question is, what's make you proud?
What makes you happy?
Oh, what's make you happy?
Sino mo una? Si Bijoy. Si Bijoy.
Rejoy, what's make you happy? Manakabete tayo.
Sana all. Taga-saan ba yung GF? GF Mindoro.
So then, yung vlog top na ni Kai, yung Maripin.
Sana all.
Ano naman rate nyo sa drink? So, I'm about to pass. Ay, pupulat ni Raynan.
Muffin nail sa Reynan, guys.
Don't say complete. Nandito na yung food namin. And now, I'm going to interview. So, Pauline, here's your question. First time mo ba dito?
Hindi. Pang second time ko lang po. First, nag-photoshoot si photoshoot vlog.
Ikaw naman, Jay. Anong expectation mo sa place and
Muna pala ako si Smelly, hindi kami talaga.
Okay, can you speak Tagalog? Because
Yung expectation ko kami garay guys.
Tagalog? Yung expectation
Ilan na yung subtitle?
Yung expectation ko sa place na yung simple mo makanyan. Pero kasi sa pimiros yung bago mo yung sis, anak mo
The mountain is approximately 1,026 meters or 3,366 feet above sea level.
Okay guys, we're done eating. So now, playability.
Yes, playable.
Uwi pa ng, saan ka pa kasi uwi niya?
Sama may sa kusis. Ay,
Like,
pala sis.
Uwi pa siya ng Amsik, then Bijoy, uwi pa ng Kutkut, and Kulaba, and Chopay and me. So, Kulaba! Like, kung dito hanggang doon, mga 30 minutes. Pero yung sa mga Angeles, like 1 hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, guys, punta na kami sa aming destination. Like, mag-walking kami dun sa bababa. And this is Jowa of Pauline. As we're here at the, what call this? Like heart shape like Valentine. And this is our head chef in HK and me, Bucharest. And like, hindi mabubuo yun kung wala kami. Prettiest and masarap magluto. Oy! Okay guys, hinihintay lang namin yung mga kasama namin, then uuwi na kami. Then maglalakad kami dun sa pababa. I-tutor namin kayo doon. Like may mga
Ang lakas maka Maynila dito. Tingnan yung background namin.
like city light. Okay guys, tinatawanan nila ako sa English ko. Like I'm konyo. Galing pa akong US. US girl, United States of Solana! This is Jay. And this is our view. Beautiful view. Like city lights. And this is Rainan. Rainan, saan ka po kasi uwi niyan?
So,
Saan ka po kasi uwi niyan?
Manibog.
Manibaog.
Malayo.
Ilang hours yung binyay mo?
Pero ano, one and a half hour.
1.5 kung maggagaling ka dito.
Oo.
Like, nag-commit pa siya. Oh, look at the sacrifice that we did. Cheers!
So, magpipicture-picture lang kami. Tapos, i-add na lang namin dyan.
Yes, bye! Guys, we're going home.
Uwi na kami.
Busog na ang lahat.
Ito yung talaga yung view. Ganda-ganda. Kung may ka-date kayo,
Ito, ang parang secret ano siya.
ito siyang private ka. Ito yung mga menu bawal.
So now, we are in Forest Sanctuary. Okay, let's go guys! Watch your step! Ito yung ano, pababa. Pag pauwi na kayo, like kung hindi kayo nakasasakyan, much better na dito kayo bumaba. Kasi kung dun kayo sa, like, cameraman, pakita mo yung other side. Like, tignan mo, there's a, mahihirapan ka na bumaba. Like dito kasi parang may hawakan ka. Hindi ka magtutuloy-tuloy.
Yes! Tapos pag na-out of balance ka, diretso ka sa baba.
Like, pag nahulog ka, walang sasalo sa'yo. Like, alam mo naman, wala kang jowa. Charis! So, that's it for tonight. I hope you enjoy our video or our mini vlog. Thank you! Bye!
Oh my God. Tapos may sumama no? Tapos may sumama. Ay, may sumama white lady. Tomboy na yung white lady. Ah!
Background music, enter. Hindi, back horror dapat. Shit, ayun na.
Sige, ano? Horror? Horror?
Shucks.
Oh,
Ito na. Putang ina.
Para tigil.
Ang ina, putang ina. Uy! Eh, shit. Taas. Ay, shit, may kasabayan tayo. Wait lang. Nakababa na po tayong lahat. Princess, Princess. Buti pa ba kayo? Nakahinga na ba kayo?
Okay na kami na?